Patterns, they are all around us. You can see patterns in buildings, patterns are used in clothing and design, and patterns are everywhere in math. Just look at the numbers on this ruler, the lines on this ruler, the lines on the paper. You might be wondering, what do patterns do? Well, patterns do the same things over and over again. Patterns repeat. Now this is super cool. Every pattern follows a special rule. The rule is how the pattern works. If you figure out the rule, you've cracked the pattern's code. Even if there is a part of the pattern missing, you will be able to find it because you cracked the code. Alright, we have another pattern here. Instead of shapes, we have numbers in this pattern. The first thing we need to do is find out what makes this a pattern. Look at each of the numbers and see if you can see a pattern. What rule does this pattern follow? Do you know? Yeah, you always add 1 to get the next number. Every number goes up by 1 each time. That's the pattern. Great job! Here is the final pattern for us to complete. Is this a pattern with shapes or numbers? Yeah, numbers. We need to figure out what the final number is in this pattern. Look at the different numbers and see what pattern you notice. Once you figure out what rule these numbers are following, you'll be able to figure out this last number. What is this missing number in the pattern? Yep, 4. Great job. How do we know that this missing number is the number 4? Well, what rule did you notice the pattern was following? Yes, subtract 1 to get the next number. So the first number is 9, and the next number is 1 less than 9, 8. Then you subtract 1 to get 7. You subtract 1 to get 6. You subtract 1 to get 5, and finally you subtract 1 from 5 to get our answer, 4. Okay, it's official. You are awesome at patterns. It's true. It's true.